everybody. Welcome to this beautiful day of a Workers' Day. I'm not here alone, ladies and gentlemen. I'm always here with my girl, my Yowa, sitting right behind me, beside me, and right with me. She the clean eye to say, okay.
My eye pencil they come out.
She's tearing.
My eye pencil they come out.
Ndo, Bale, I have a biro, you can replace it.
No, it's okay. It's fine.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, how far? Workers' Day, for every. But we are not, home enjoying like you. We are somewhere here today working like work. Nitori yonik work.
Say if they talk people, they talk Workers' Day. I just they look there and they laugh. We don't really know what holiday is really. Because while everybody is doing holiday, if you do the rule radio, you they do TV. Don't worry yourself. Holiday is not really for you except you collect leave or you sick or something happen, you come out. But people know they collect, we know they collect holiday. So for those of Una, when they celebrate Workers' Day, happy celebration. I'm something like a jealous of you, but still, we thank the Lord.
At the same time, Workers' Day no be for everybody, really. Now, really for the day, for people that we get work. If you not come and get a work or a business or a hustle, it's not for you. Every day is Workers' Day for you. Hello? Because I see maybe they call they celebrate non-Workers' Day. Non-Workers' Day on that day. But please, I know some people they try to get work. We know God will bring for you. You understand? Me no be like say we now we get me. God be like we don't rubber for that face. Get me now, but don't worry, a day will surely come.
But
this one, look for it.
This one when they talk Workers' Day, it go make sense if you just try rest, really, because you cannot come and go and kill yourself. So it go make sense if you try rest. The essence of Workers' Day now to give you one day to yourself, full day to yourself, to recuperate all the energy
we don't lose. The average Nigerian no like rest. Even when they say make we rest for house, we go on watch news. Why is this country like this? Oga, rest. Off TV. Down. Just rest your rest.
Some people don't even off their phone for 1 hour to take better sleep.
Keep phone one place. Carry your children around your body. If you never marry, just deal with good friends. Make all of them just laugh.
Relax.
Leave social media, leave TV, leave everything. Relax
but
yourself.
Watch Paddy is quite relaxing.
Yes. After Paddy, you can off your TV.
You can now do whatever you want to do.
Thank you.
But relax, okay? Welcome to the show. We greet everybody ganchously. We're not going to talk plenty today, Workers' Day. So, small any way to go today, just take it like that because it's Workers' Day. Even us too, we are doing Workers' Day. So, everything is okay. You give us a break now. When we come back, we enter inside Yan. And like this self-consigned work. So, Yan. Real quick.
Boom!
Oh, wow. That's why they always talk this thing. If you beg, now your choice. If you beg, if your hand and your leg complete, and you beg, now your choice. Because people, you feel do plenty things day where you feel do, where go make money. Everybody where you see where get money today, they didn't really start rich. They did not just burn them and go. They have now come and rich. Some of them sell water for go slow. I know, they work with person where they say sell water for go slow. He sell puff. He sell oil. You don't understand. We don't talk say your own go bad rich like that, but I'm saying there's always an option than to beg or to thief or to, or to do any of those bad things there. There's always an option. Try. Try. Don't be lazy. Try.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, try again. All right. So Workers' Day, we are celebrating the Workers' Day. So right now, give us yarn the yarn. Make we just yarn you the yarn sharply and sharply. Yarn the yarn.
That's good. So this thing is very funny. Inside Chinese town, inside China. This professor for one college for inside China, people they write exam. Not be waiting then teach you go use write exam. This Chinese man, in all exam now, he get one particular liquor where they call, what Chinese people they call, wait, make I find the name. The name of that thing, the liquor, now very strong liquor. I'm coming. I have to find the name. That name is very important. Wait. Beijui. Baijiu. Beijui or something like that. this particular alcohol, it gets close to 40 to 60% alcohol for inside. Now one of the strong this thing where they get alcohol where they get. You know what the man they tell them they do? The way where they take drink and reach, now it go be their percentage for winning. If you go finish 1 cup, now 100% you get. If you finish like some, you know, a little above half, now like 70%. Then if you can't take maybe sips or something, like 60%.
If you drink drum, uncle?
No, na cup.
Okay, na cup.
Drum, okay. No. The man said because after you graduate, you are going to be entering the real life. So I have to prepare you for entering the real life. This is his own way of preparing them for entering the real life. Not being one of the students they come put on for social media. Now they take cut, now they take know what happen. So they don't suspend the man as me and you they speak. So his name now Guming. The man name.
I know I'm that year. You know. But any which way, you reach to catch. Because what a way to come and say you want to raise people for the future. You know, when people they think of doing some kind of things,
that you want to get them ready for the future.
Country and the world, you in your own way of readying them, now you can't say, okay, come and drink my brother. Any which way, let's continue with the rest of the whole gist because time no can't do again too much, okay? But now badness. If you are a teacher, somebody waiting for that place where they watch a show like this, please hope you are not doing some kind of thing with your students.
What happened to counseling? What happened to talking to? When you come off money,
you come and be giving them things to be. The next thing we hear say you they give your students you go to smoke.
To say the more you can smoke, the more you are ready for life.
God will judge you. Now when they keep up position to teach people, please Now, for my own side, now, based on teaching levels, as it be, you know, for this country where we did, some children that they will not get access to education. Education, that's right pronunciation. Education.
Education.
Maybe. Education. No, it's not the D. It's J. Education. J. Now, one D like that and one J. So it's in education. You get me now? So, for Afghanistan, that Bua area, where those badness guys that can come from that year, you know. For Afghanistan, one particular guy always say many children for the area there are not learned. Meaning say they don't go school, they don't feel read, they don't mature, reach weird life don't they, appear for their eye, but they never see sabi read. They don't feel, they don't fit read book, they don't feel spell, they don't feel do what normal children around the world feel do. So now you guys say, okay, what can I do to, what I can do on my own to see how we say help these children from my area based on the Afghanistan condition and situation. Now you guys say, okay, you go carrying bicycle and make a mobile library. Mobile library meaning say he carry books plenty for on top in bicycle. You go carry and go from place to place just to make sure say the children they way in jam anywhere you see them.
You give
them book, make them read. Aww. They go over the thing. He say now then it just take start. He say but now as they follow on and they talk now they don't reach like 20 of them where they do the same thing just to give back to society. Usually at the end of the day you say you must not be a celebrity to come and do all this kind of thing. Or you must not be somebody who don't to get money before you go fit do this kind of thing. Once your mind just did the whole level, you can always go outside there and see what you feel add. No, they just wait for what society will do for you. You said do something for society. No, wait for what government will do for you. You said do something for the government to help the whole thing. Because all of us together, can always make any country will find ourselves the best. You understand me? This guy, they do them in their own little way. You self, when they watch like this, can do yours in your own little way. All right?
That's a very good impact.
Very, very good one. Because right now, if out of all those children.
Because some of the children now go say, if not for that uncle.
Now they talk now.
See, my life would have been different.
If one of them come grow up now to become the president. He go always give this man, wherever the man they go find and come out. Say,
always give credit, yeah. If not for you.
So largely, start now. You don't know the person's life where they affect positively, but just go outside there and affect somebody's life in a positive way.
Help somebody.
Who you help?
It doesn't have to be big, just help person.
Who you help?
Help person.
Who you help as a person? Who you help? No, really, more even ask that question, say, who have you helped in your life? Really? No be collect to help without wanting to receive back. Who you have helped. Who you have helped.
And to help person, no be until you give them money. No be until you give them something. Sometimes even your actions can be because you want to help person. Just so you know.
This guy who was just now, come out, come talk, say.
Collect money. You give money.
Now children, when if you give them money back, say they even help. Parents said no get money to even give them anything. But I can assure you one thing, even God say this guy they do good things.
Yes.
And he will bless him for this kind of thing.
So you when we say you get picking for there, the picking go find trouble, come back for outside. They go bring her come house, you go begin support her. No, my child cannot do this. You are not helping your child. You are not helping your child. If anything happen to that child, it is your fault because you are not helping your child. So help no be till you give money. Help can be in versatile ways. Person will be say, you know, say the person just lazy. Every time they give her money, you are not helping the person. So
help fit come in diverse ways.
Different ways.
You fit help in prayer. You fit help with advice. You fit help with your presence, just there around the person. You fit help with money. You fit help with no books. You fit help just look. You fit help person with ginger.
Yeah.
You see person say, man, person just dead down. You go look at him and say, man, my brother, you can do it.
Yes.
You fit do am.
Yes.
I go ginger you.
Yes.
I go motivate you.
Yes.
Inspire you. You must make am. You must make am. If you not agree, if you sometimes self, some kind small beating. Now help.
Don't
knock. I'm gonna knock it till you make
Nah help. You understand? So be versatile with your help.
Yes. You know,
have a versatile.
But don't me say you can't go dey give la love so.
No,
that can't help. You know.
Aunties, we didn't say be happy every man. No, don't help. If it's like that, don't help.
If like that one, don't help at all. Please. So, but at the end of the whole day, I have to say this question on a workers' day. Who you help? We dey come back right now after this break. We'll continue the rest of the show. No go anywhere. Now see the party show. Ogbolo, Mayowa. We dey here like mege.
Peace, y'all.
Now go waste now tire. Mora. God, I will be this girl, oh. You are training me. Emanuela, strong Igbo accent like this.
Is she going to school?
She go supposed to go school now. After all this one, you no can't go school. Now we go beat you go to school.
At the end of the day.
You can be a funny character, but you have to go to school.
You have to go to anything you do, you must go to school.
When
you get your pali, you can't feel open mouth. They say, I get my pali, it's sweet to talk.
Yes.
So go to school.
Please,
at the end of the day.
Some of us finally go and go school. See, we must this school, we
must go.
We bring pali come back.
Yes.
And they will continue to misbehave.
Yes.
You
understand? So go to school. Please. Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy, at Wazobia Paddy. Follow us on top Instagram at Wazobia TVNG. And then follow us individually at Mayowa Lambe on top Twitter and at Funny Ogbolo on top Twitter. Instagram na at Mayowa Ekpo, Twitter na at Ogbolo. YouTube.com/Wazobia TV. You go see Paddy. Facebook.com/Wazobia TV. You go see Paddy. And on this day, enjoy your workers' day. Because me.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this point, you go say, follow us, so if not, follow you straight. I want to do Emanuela, straight. All right, have a beautiful workers' day. God bless everybody. We'll see you tomorrow, all right? Bye.